Hello everyone, Sid here back again with another tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to learn about how to load static files in Django 2.2. So if you have any doubt, please comment on comment section. Definitely, I will try to resolve the query. And if you're not subscribed, if we are already subscribers, is very good. If you're not subscribed my channel, please click on subscribe button so you can get all Django related video and a lot of video also. So a lot of technical stuff, like if you want to learn Python, PHP, Bootstrap, JS, all kind of stuff I will upload. So now please click on subscribe button so you can get all of things. So let's start with how to set up static files in Django 2.2. So now I'm going to download free from W3 layout. You can check out, and I will give you descriptions area this link also. So corporate group free website templates I'm going to download. So click on download button. You can get after login you will check out the something similar to this one. I'm going to click here. Now accept. So now if you want to download, just click on any button, and after get you get one download button. Now automatically downloading. So this is done from my side. Now I'm going to extract. So this is the file. So now you can check, and I'm going to copy from here, and I'm going to my folder which I'm working environment 2, and here within a college folder I am working. So I will upload all things from the pages and template. So I'm going to deploy here within a template. I want replace. So this is done from my side. Okay, now we need to do something else. I'm explaining you something from scratch, don't worry about it. So first, how to load static files. This is a first step. Okay, I'm explaining you again. First, we are working the college folder, so just click on colleges. This is a college. Okay, now click on setting. This is the root directory of the setting. So you need to always think about, we need to set this one, static root. I'm going to click on the static roots, and if you want you can delete from these things also. I'm going to put here statics. Now whenever you set here, just click on here, assist. Now working fine. So once you have done this process, the assist, we need to always set static URL kind of here, and we have already defined here base URL directory static. Okay, this is done from my side already, and you can check from my blog also. If you forget any syntax, I will give you my descriptions area this tangent Django tutorials also. And whenever you want to just type here Django, and you can check from my blog also how to set up static files in Django. I have already explained everything about here, and from beginners but also you can learn from these tutorials. Okay, so let's start here. Okay, so now I had already added. So I'm going to my terminal, second terminal I'm going to open. Now here we need to start virtual environment. So I'm typing here source bin activate. Now this is done. Now I'm going to inside of the folder cd college. Now click on ls. Here all files are here. Okay, so within a college we need to run some command. So what type of command I need to run? Python, okay, manage.py. And always once you set your static root, you need to always run one command. With the command is static means you need to always think on one command need to run. Python manage.py collect static. Okay, collect static. Now, so user college assist this override existing file. You want this? Yes, I want. Yes. Now 70 static files are copied. Okay, so let's check what kind of static files are here. You can check bird is here. Okay, let's close this one. Now this is done. Okay, from my side. Now we need to put, we have already put the some pages. So let's check it's working or not. I'm going to inside of the view. One second, I'm going to pages. inside of the view. First is the URL, which URLs are running. This one, urls.py. If anyone hitting blank, so we will call which page? This one, pages.url. Okay, so let's check pages. Where is the pages? This one, pages dot URL. This one. If anyone hitting blank, it means index page view will call automatically. Okay, I'm going to inside of the views. Now these functions will call automatically. Okay, so now I'm going to check. We don't know right now need these models. I'm going to delete from here and check here. Index.page is this calling and rendering the request index.html. Now check how's it coming. This one, I think so it's something old model. Now check why this not coming. This means we need to load what kind of files this is stuff. Okay, I'm going to inside of the static folder. We don't need right now here. I'm going to delete. Now we need to add within a root directory, within a static. I'm going to delete this one. I'm going to copy. Now this is successfully. Now what we need to do? Now check is working or not. This is not working. Why not working? We need to load static files. So how we need to write and how we need to add? I'm going to inside of the template. Now click on index.template these files. I'm going to delete these things now right now. Now what we need to do here, check this files is not coming because we had added all things within inside of the static folder. So what we need to do here, now we need to add here curly bracket percentage. Okay, now what, how we need to load static, what we need to load static, check load static, and everywhere we need to update like css and bootstrap. So this is a simple process. I'm going to replace here. Okay, if css folder are coming, we need to add static. I'm going to replace all places. Now this is done. Now one process also dot css anywhere coming, like dot css any places are coming, then we will add this type of stuff log dot css in this. Now check all places css also done. Let's check is coming or not. Okay, wow, amazing. CSS are loading successfully. And now how the images is coming, let me check. These images also we need to do. So I'm going to same process for images also. Okay, if anyone hitting on images, automatically will call. And what kind of images we have? Dot jpg, .jpg. So I'm going to close for the jpg. jpg also is done. Now png also we will missing. I'm going to every places for the png also. We have one png. This is also done. Now images, and let's check is coming or not. We got some error. .png. Why could not pass reminder? Something else we have missed 135 line. Why we getting error? Let's check images folder. We have this kind of stuff. One number 135 line. I'm going to inside of 135 line here. Why we getting error? Because I forget to syntax here. What kind of syntax I forget? I'm going to explain this syntax I forget to write. Let's check again. Now this is perfect. Now you can check everything is fine, and this process you need to do. Okay, so hope so this is clear for you, and you hope so you enjoy this video. And if you have any doubt, please comment down comment section. Definitely I will try to resolve a query. Okay, so if you want to all files like this, if anyone hitting the about in URL, so how we need to do, I'm explaining you. Let's check how I'm going to explain you. Okay, so URLs, if anyone hitting like same, I'm going to copy, don't worry about. If anyone hitting about, then we will call, about page view and put here the name is about, and we don't have about right now, so we need to create about page. So just import here also, and I'm going to, inside of the page, I'm going to copy and paste same things here. This is also done, and just click on about. Okay, let's check in URL. I'm going to hit about. Yes, great. This is also also coming from these things. Now I am going to inside of about, just remove this one. Same process we need to, what we need to do here, we need to call as a percentage, we need to write here load and static again. This is done. Okay, now we need to replace all places. So like CSS we have done recently, CSS we will replace from CSS now. Great. If we have CSS, then we will replace from CSS everywhere. Let's check. Now if we have PNG, we will also replace from PNG, and if you have JPG, we will also replace from the JPG. Okay, and from starting also, if we have images, every places we will replace from images like this syntax. Let's check about page is coming or not. We got some error from JPG, sorry, .png again. We again forget, I think so. Let's check again. Dot 134 line 134, just a simple exam. We got an error. Maybe some places I forget again. Now this is perfect. Okay, so I'm going to replace if about.html in URL, then I will replace everywhere only about. Click on the string. Now if anyone clicking on about, then automatically will call about page. So this is a static file I've done from my side. Then we can click on for the every pages like contact event, everywhere you want you can just do it from your side. And if anyone hitting the URL index.html, then I will replace from 0. If anyone clicking on index, we don't have index exactly. Okay, so this is done from my side, and if you forget to subscribe my channel, please click on subscribe button so you can get notifications related to this new video. Thank you for watching.
If you have any doubt, please comment on comment section. Definitely I will try to resolve your query. If you want more video, please comment on comment section which type of video you need. Definitely I will try to make. Thank you for watching.